Morning everybody, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to read to you from John chapter 2 from verse 18 to verse 22, and it say, so the Jew leader them asked him say, what kind of miracle you can work for we? What kind of sitting you can give we? For sure we say you have the right to do all of them sitting here. So Jesus said to them, say, tear down and mash up the house here, and me will build it up back in a 3 days. Them answer him back and say, a 46 year it take to make this a house here, and you go and build it up back in a only 3 days. But I know God house Jesus did a talk about, and him body him did a talk about. No. After Jesus dead and come back alive, him follower them members say him did say them sitting there, and them believe what right down in a God word and what Jesus did say. God word this. Thank God.